Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup with a 20x9 Ram factory wheel and some 35 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter RT tires in a 12 ply. Now these wheels, they're an 8-lug wheel. They go on a 25 or 3500 Ram, but you're here to watch the video on the Fury RT tires. These are a 12 ply RT tire. They are for sure the most economically priced 12 ply RT tire on the market. If you are going for the most well-priced tire, this is your tire. It is the cheapest 12 ply on the market, hands down by far. They asked on average for about 6 ounces of weight, which isn't great. It isn't terrible. It's right on the line of acceptable. Besides that, it's an RT. If you don't know what an RT is, it's a hybrid in between a mud terrain and an all-terrain. The tread is spread out as though it's an all-terrain, but it has the depth of a mud terrain. So it's more quiet and it has relatively mild manners. The rim, typical Dodge factory 20-inch wheel with a little bit of chrome inserts on the inside coming off of a Laramie truck. The tires, they ride great. Honestly, one of the best riding tires I've ridden with if you get them to balance well. They're quiet, they ride good, they handle well. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment or shoot us an email or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you wanted to buy these tires or maybe some wheel spacers or some wheels or a lift or bumpers or anything, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts shipped out today. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.